Hello 3S family, this is Chris at 3SX Performance. Today we're going to be talking about some Redline fluid. So today we're going to start with your transmission. Now these are, for starters, the all-wheel drive. So you're going to be getting 3 of our bottles of MT85 fluid. So we have 3 here just for representation. Then we're going to move on to the transfer case. Now there's 2 different on the first gens and the second gens. Now for the first gens, I'm going to show you this. We get the shockproof heavy fluid. There's a little diagram. Let's see if I can show you guys here. So for the transfer case for the 91 to 92 models, you're going to want to fill it up about 1/2 inch below the fill plug. 93 and up, you're going to want to fill it up to the fill plug. Now, as well for the transmission, you're going to want to fill it up to the fill plug for basically all 5-speed and 6-speed models. So just leave that there for a second so you guys can view, get that as in your brain, and we'll move on to the next one. So for some rear differential fluid, we have the 7590. Now the capacity for all these fluids, you're going to be using 2.4 quarts, 2 bottles, and basically 0.4 out of this one. Transfer case, you're only using 0.3 for 93 and up, and for first gens 91, 92, it's 0.27. Now for the rear differential, it's 1 quart at 0.1, so you're only using just partial of this one. Now, for another reason, if you guys need to see where the filler plug is on your transmissions, fill plug is looking on the passenger side. You're going to have the fill plug here, and your drain is right at the bottom, right by your passenger side axle. So now, this service is only done every 30,000 miles. Everybody prefers Redline as a fluid just because of their advancements of having, really good wear for every 30,000 miles. They're high temperature fluids. They really don't burn. And pretty much it's such a good high performance fluid to have in your car for all those who like to track or even drag their cars. So that sums up the overview of the fluids. Feel free to comment or send us an email or give us a call if you have any questions. Thank you very much, guys, and have a nice day.